Your cadaverous pallor betrays an aura of foreboding, almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way. Oh, I didn't mean to frighten you prematurely. The real chills come later. Now, as they say, look alive, and we'll continue our tour. There are several prominent ghosts who have retired here from creepy old crypts all over the world. Actually, we have 999 happy haunts here, but there's room for 1,000. Any volunteers? If you insist on lagging behind, you may not need to volunteer. The moldering sanctum of the spirit world will accommodate you and one or two loved ones. Kindly watch your step as you board, please. We spirits haunt our best in gloomy darkness, so remember, no flash pictures, please.
Safely seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside. And watch your children, please. We find it delightfully unlivable here in this ghostly retreat. Every room has wall-to-wall creeps, and hot and cold running chills. Shh. Listen.
Give us a hint by ringing the bell. Serpents and spiders, tail of a rat, call in the spirits wherever they're at. Rap on a table, it's time to respond. Send us a message from somewhere beyond.
The happy haunts have received your sympathetic vibrations and are beginning to materialize. They're assembling for you, swinging wastefully. They'll be expecting me. I'll see you all a little later. I'll see you all a little later.
have been unavoidably detained by pranky spirits. Kindly remain seated in your Doom Buggy, please. We will continue our tour momentarily. Playful spooks have interrupted our tour. Please remain seated in your Doom Buggy. We will proceed in just a moment.
And don't try to hide.
There's a little They have selected you to fill our core, and they'll haunt you until you return. Now I will raise the safety bar, and a ghost will follow you home.
Please exit by stepping away from the cars with your left foot first. Step out and step